Welcome to Jambi's Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to add team members to manage your WhatsApp business chats. Now in the previous video I already showed you how to connect WhatsApp business to your Meta business suite. If you have not watched that, check that out because you need to have connected to Meta business suite first. So the next step is when you're on Meta business, how to set up your team members to be able to access and manage the WhatsApp business chats. You go to settings on the account that has the WhatsApp. As you can see, I'm on the account that has the WhatsApp. You can see it right here. I'll go to settings and then scroll down. Under accounts, you'll see WhatsApp accounts. Click on that. Then you can see here the WhatsApp business app. So you go to the right, you'll see assign people right there. Click on that. Now, in order to add team members to manage your WhatsApp business, they need to already be a part of the Meta business suite. So in case the person you want to add is not already a part of the Meta business suite, you can go ahead and add them to Meta. And to do this, you'll just go back, scroll up here under users on the left hand side to people. And you can come and invite. So you can invite someone using their email address. Once they get the invitation and accept it, they'll be a part of the Meta business suite, and you can give them specific access. So once you invite someone, you can give them the specific assets you want them to access. You don't have to give them full access to the whole Meta business. So once you've invited someone and they've accepted, then you'll come back now to under accounts, you'll come to WhatsApp account and add them to that account. Or if you already have someone who's already assigned and you want to change their permissions, you'll do the same thing, search the person, then turn it on for full control. You can decide what you want them to be able to do one by one. In case you don't want to give them full control, you can decide which items you want them to be able to manage. So I'll give full control and click on assign people and confirm. And there you go. That's it, guys. That's how you assign team members to manage the WhatsApp business chats on Meta Business. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will respond to those as soon as I get them. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe if you already have not subscribed.